Hello friends, I hope everyone is happy in their life and enjoying it, and for those who are not, I know you guys are genius and can find a way to smile. Now, talking about Windows in today's tutorials, we will discuss all the possible methods to fix it in a detail. If you need any further assistance or modifications, just let me know in the comment section. I'll guide you further. Right now I'm using a VMware just for tutorial. So first of all, let's power it off. And in case if you don't know how to get in repair mode, I'll show you that step as well. So first of all, just suppose this is a PC, not a tool or software. Just power your VMware. Now for going into the power option, recovery option, just turn it off when your Windows start booting. Just 2 or 3 times you need to perform this action and your Windows will goes automatically into the repair mode. I know a lot of people are just facing this problem. They are just getting the automatically into the repair mode. So we are just performing here for 3 times and this will automatically boot into the power save mode. Now you can see preparing automatic repair. All right, now we are here into the automatic repair mode, in which you can just try to fix your problem. The first step, simply restart your PC. Might be this will fix your problem, but I know you have a lot of times you have tried this option. We are going for further details into the advanced setup. Now here you will see a few setups: continue, exit, and continue to the Windows 10. Turn off your PC, use a device like USB or CD, and troubleshoot. We are going into the troubleshoot. Now here you will see the reset this PC. This will help you to fix your problem, but we are going here into the advanced option. For more deeply, you can see here each step for related to your repair, Windows repair. Now the first step we are gonna perform here, the check disk. This will help you to fix your problem. So open the command prompt, select the user that you have created. Now if you have password, you can use over here, otherwise just click on the continue and it will automatically pop up a command prompt. After doing this, you can perform here the sfc space/scan now and hit enter. It will take a couple of minutes, and after verifying the files, if there's any corrupted file, it will repair and make a boot for you. If it's not booting your PC, then you can simply just close it from here and restart your PC. Your problem should be fixed 100%. But in case if it's not working, don't worry, there's a lot of other ways. Let's go again into the troubleshoot option, then advanced option, and here you can see startup repair, startup settings, command prompts, system restore, UEFI firmware. Okay, this is not for Windows 10, actually it's for BIOS. Uninstall updates. So if you think recently you have any update on your Windows or installing any software or tool, then you can install it from here. Now it's a feature, you can go into the feature settings. Otherwise, if it's a Windows quality updates, then you can simply go over here and just uninstall that. I'm not gonna do this because I did not update my VMware. So once again into the advanced setup. Now here you can see the second option is system restore. Now if you have created any restore point, then definitely it will pop up over here just like that, restore point, and then click on next. It will restore your PC on the current date when you created that restore point. And if hopefully this will work, but in case if it's not working, then once again go again into the advanced option. Then here you need to click on the type startup repair. Once you click here, it will diagnosing your PC problems, and once it find the problem, it will fix automatically or repair for you. So you can just make a quick startup. So now it's performing the checking disks for error. This might take over an hour. So it's depending on your PC performance. Actually, if you have a good PC, then it won't take much longer. But in case if you are using the 2 GB RAM or something like the low end specs, then definitely it will take time. Okay, after attempting a repair, now it's over here. Startup repair. Now startup repair could not repair your PC advanced options to try other options to repair your PC, or shut down to turn off your PC, or log files where you can actually see the log files, which files actually making the problems for you. You can see over here. We are going again into the advanced troubleshoot, and then again into the advanced. Now if you have tried everything from here, the last thing, startup settings, once you go over there, you can see here enable low resolution video mode, enable debugging mode, enable boot logging, enable safe mode. So simply you can go through the safe mode. Once you restart, it will ask you these options. You need to start your PC into the safe mode. This will work definitely for you. Just let's try it for you. Might be this will work. In case if it's working, then you can easily repair your window. So now here you can see we have a lot of numbers. Number 1, enable debugging. Number 2, enable boot logging, enable raw. So we are going with safe mode. Press 4, and as you can see, the safe mode is working fine. You can simply log in. After the logging in into your account, now simply first of all you can make your backup. Definitely there's a lot of files that you need to make a backup for those. So first you make backup, and then check if there are any updates, or just open the command prompt, run as administratorly. Once you launch command prompt, now here you need to apply a few commands. Those are important. That actually these commands will fix the problem. So commands are given below in the description. You can easily go copy them and then paste over here. Now in case I can't paste over here, and when I can't use vertical slash, I can copy it from here somewhere. Got it. So copy this vertical slash, because I can't type it. I don't know why, but anyways, type here DISM space / image D again, and make sure it's C drive. All right, if you are using your Windows and D drive, you need to type the D, and then the vertical slash like this space / cleanup _ image space / and revert pending actions, and hit enter. For me there's nothing like this, but it will work for you. Now the second command, disk space / image, the same command actually, it's just we are gonna change it at the end. Restore health, and hit enter. Alright, now these commands are not working for me because, as I said, I'm using here the VMware, which won't allow me to perform these commands, but definitely these commands will work fine for you. You need to apply these commands and your problem will be fixed 100%. Okay, after doing this, just restart your PC. Sometimes simple booting into a safe mode and then restarting and going through the normal window will work fine for you. You can just press F8 while booting the windows up, so it will give you some options. But anyways, if it's not giving you any option, don't worry, it's just booting up now. So this is how you can solve your problem. And if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos, for more help. Because of you guys, today I'm here, and I really thankful for you, for your support. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.